Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making Fruity Flapjacks. What you will need: 175 grams of butter, 175 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey or golden syrup, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 250 grams of rolled oats, 75 grams of sultanas, 50 grams of dried apricots. Grease and line a square tin and preheat your oven to 160 degrees. Melt the butter, vanilla, sugar and honey or golden syrup, whatever you've chosen, in a large pan. Once the butter has melted and all the sugar has dissolved, tip in the oats and mix well. Then add in your sultanas and dried apricots. Now put your mixture into the tray and press down lightly so it spreads throughout the tray evenly. These are my fruity flapjacks. I have made golden syrup, sultana and dried apricot, but I have also made honey, sultana and currant flapjacks. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.